Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Harbor Freight Hauls, and today we have something simple yet super useful. It's some Pittsburgh brand portable ramps right there with the 6,500 pound capacity. These guys have been super useful for me over the last 2 months. I initially planned on making a video on these like when I first got them, but I wanted to give them a little test ride, see how they worked out over a couple months and not break, hopefully, like instantly when I use them. But no, they didn't break and they've lasted me 2-3 months already. I've done, I think, 3 oil changes so far with my car, and I think my mom's and my brother's cars, and the cars just go up on there really easily, super easily. You kind of do need a second person to tell you when to stop when the wheel hits. You don't want to go over because then it creates even more problems. But overall, these guys have been super helpful. So I initially bought these because I was having problems lifting the car to do like just basic maintenance, like an oil change or even just looking underneath the car. I was using this jack that's not even suited for my car at all, honestly. It's just a piece of trash. Well, from my car. But for other cars, it's very useful. So I was using this. It was not working out at all. And the jack stands I have right there were a little bit too tall for those, so it was just not working out at all. Hold up, there you go. Not working out at all. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and buy me some ramps. And honestly, so good. Let's see what the specs say. And it's nice rigidity. I kind of wish the bottom part was rigidity too. Like initially when I first bought this, it came with these like rubber, I guess like stoppers. It's like a piece of rubber, but it came here. I think I had a few of them, but since the car wheels push this forward, they just came off, and that kind of sucks. I think only these have lasted, but let's see. Yep, only the back ones survived. All the other ones kind of fell off. I tossed them out a while ago, but yeah, pretty good. Let's see what the specs are. These are Pittsburgh branded, so I know it's pretty reliable. So it's a 6,500 pound capacity, which is enough for my car. Holds 3250 each, and it has a width of 12 inches. Well, the maximum tire width is 12 inches. So it's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Not too bad. And they're not too heavy. I kind of wish I still had the box, but the box got wet when it rained because I left this outside by accident. And I forgot, but I just put them in this gap right here because I have nowhere else to put them until I buy a shelf. So yeah, super useful. I was having some clearance problems. That's why I was really worried nothing would be able to lift my car unless I got like a low profile jack. But it's like, it's not, I don't know, like 5 inches. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like. Goes. I think that's as much as it goes. I think that's how I put it last time. I forgot. It's been a while. Yeah. Okay, so it goes like this. You notice how it hits like this part right here, but it just slides as soon as the car starts moving upward. And all you gotta do is just, have someone else tell you where to stop. I'm kind of scared of doing it by myself because I might go over it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I kind of wish I had a video of me going up there, but I don't have one. I think my girlfriend has one, but I'll see if I can take a video of it maybe next week, or I'll ask her for it if she hasn't deleted it yet. Yeah, super reliable. highly recommend you guys getting some if you don't have jacks or have bad jacks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Just a quick video update on these. And Harbor Freight number 2 video. Or 3, I don't know what this one is going to be. So yeah, like and subscribe, and 1 horsepower, 1 subscribe equals 1 horsepower, guys. So thank you guys.